Hey friends, welcome back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is the girl Stacy-Lee. Yes, so we're on a mission, you know, we'll go to some roast breadfruit. So guys, we get breadfruit here from Westmoreland. So all of the Westmoreland pass them big up on themselves and have some good breadfruit down there. Yeah, breadfruit them mad. So we're gonna roast them breadfruit, yeah. And see them? Buy some ackee on the road. So I got some ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. So if I don't get ketchup, I'm gonna clean up my ackee then I know.
Black.
Alright guys, so we have the breadfruit on the fire.
Yeah.
Fire.
Fire.
Mama is here, man.
Hi, Mom.
So those are some yellow heart breadfruit. Big fire in the kitchen, madness roasting. So we give them the first turn. So we clean up the ackee them. So that's the ackee them with the seed. So you have to pick out the seed and take out the inner piece and clean them up. Wash them and cook them. Okay guys, so we have the breadfruit here. So I'm gonna now peel the breadfruit. So these are fully roast, cool, and I'm going to peel them. So okay guys, so this is all the breadfruit that we roast and they are peeled. So this is the peeled breadfruit. So some person like it roast and eat it as is, but I'm gonna fry mine. And over here is the ackee and the saltfish. So that's the ackee and the saltfish over here. So that done, I'm gonna fry some breadfruit now. Yeah. So there you have it. So you just slice them. And then you're gonna add some salt to it. Just add a little salt for taste. Yeah. Just turn it over and add the salt. Just add the salt for taste. And this is optional. You don't have to put salt on it. But I just want a little salt on it for taste. And as I said, you don't have to fry it. If you want, you can just eat it as it is. Right? Alright guys, there you have it. That's the ackee and saltfish and fried breadfruit. Now that's ackee and saltfish with fried breadfruit. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Pick up yourself. Yeah.